Hello AGI and welcome to your Unix video tutorial. So in this video I'll be discussing two Unix commands, that is cut and join. So let's look at the first Unix command, cut. So this command is used to print selected parts of lines from each file to standard output. So on the command line you just type cut followed by the options and followed by the name of the file. So in our first example case I have an input file which is a GFF file, and it is a tab delimited file with different fields. So I would like to display the first field using the cut command. So for that I use the option -f, which represents the fields. So here F1 represents the first field, and you can see in the output it has given me the first field. And I can also display a range of fields using the -f option. So for that I use on my command line -f1 -3, and you can see it has given me the first three fields. And also if I don't know how many fields are there in the file, so I just use -f with the field number and followed by hyphen, so it will pick up till the end, till the last field. Then I can use cut to display the characters, the required number of characters in every line. So for that I use the option -c, and I provide the range to the number of characters I want to display. So here I am displaying the first 25 characters, and as you can see in the output I have the first 25 characters from the file input.gff. And I can also use cut with the option -d, which recognizes the delimiters in the file. So here the delimiter in this example is colon in the input file password. So this every field here is delimited by the character colon. So I use the option -d and then followed by the delimiter, that is colon, and then I am extracting the first field. So as you can see in my first field I have root, bin, daemon, etc. So this is one of the useful options if your file is delimited by any alphanumeric character. And then so that was for the Unix command cut. So let's look at the Unix command join, which is used to join lines of two files on a common field. So for that on my command line I use join followed by the options and name of the files. So in our first simple case where we just do a simple join, that is join two files. So join basically it works in a way that it finds the common entries in the first field, that or the first column. So here I have two input files, that is file1 and file2.txt, and as you can see the first field is with numbers and the second field is with alphabets. So when I do a join a file1.txt and file2.txt, it will see what is common in the first field. So in the about case I have 1 and 3 common in the first field, and it will print out the entire line from both the files that contains the common match. So here 1 and 3 is common, and then I can use join to using the second column from both the files. So in my previous case we just looked at the first column to join. Now here we can specify to look specifically into the second column for any common matches. So that is in our second column here is the alphabets. So here alphabets A, B, C and L, M, N are common in both the files, so it will print out the lines containing the both. This is also referred to as inner join. And I can also include all records from the first file So for that I just use the option -a1, which indicates to include all records from the file 1, and I follow the same example as the previous one. And as you can see, the only difference from the previous one is that it has included the remaining record from the file 1. So this is a pretty useful command, and I hope you liked both of the Unix commands. So you can post your questions to me on the YouTube link or email me at kapil@cals.arizona.edu, and you can find more examples and options on the wiki page. Just follow the link. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video tutorial.